Hi there, it's Carter with Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the coordinates in one of your DJI Terra projects. So to begin, as you can see here, I'm just on the home screen, and I have two of my projects readily available. I'm going to go into the 3D sample project. It's just a picture of an island here. So if I zoom in, let's say I want to find out the coordinates at the top of this little island. On the top right there's a little square you can click on with 4 different options. The top option is how to find the coordinates. If I select that, then click, it'll tell me the coordinates of where I clicked. There's another way to find the coordinates as well under annotation and measurement. On the left side of that one, if you click on it, you can also save the points. So as you can see here, I'll save 2 points. And then underneath the coordinate tab in annotation measurement, I can just see all the coordinates I've saved.
That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit our website at bench-mark.ca. Thank you.